Okay, live started now. Recording.
సార్ చేయమనంటే అలో చేయరా?
Already allowed. It's showing as joining to me. Right? Is it joined or not? Joined, right? Okay, joined. Okay, live stream is going on. Do you see my screen? No, I think, right? So I was doing the reports yesterday. Right? Very important in SAP. Everything is a report concept only. Even the interfaces, everything. So data flow point of view. And this is the flow. Selection screen. This is your database. This is your web program. And this will be the output. This is the flow, right? That's what we have done in the yesterday's session. So interactive, what is the interactive report purpose? Interactive, for example, KSRTC. Suppose if you search a bus, Bangalore to Hyderabad, right? Okay, maybe. So what do you call this in SAP terminology, this screen? What you see currently, you are giving the frame 1 to, right? And then date of travel. Yeah?
That is input selection, sir.
Oh, so it's nothing but a selection screen. Same like how the selection screen now. Now the moment I click on search buses, right, code will trigger in the back end of this KSRTC website. All the buses available from the Bangalore to Hyderabad will list out. This is a list report. This is a report. It's a basic report, not interactive now. Now you see the hand symbol here, right? Select but. The moment I click on select but, what will happen? It is interactive. Right? The interactive now. So now again you choose the seat numbers, right? And then where you boarding and all, right? And then next step is you go for the payment point of view, right? Right? Suppose you go and to choose this one, and dropping point, Hyderabad, right? Provide the passenger details. This is one secondary list, we call as, right? From basic list, it came to secondary list. Now again, if I click on here, what will happen? Hello? If I click on here, what will happen? Hello? Hello?
Tell me, sir, what did you ask?
So I was just asking, can you hear me or not? So
Yes, yes, we can hear you. Yeah,
so I am
very
asking
clear.
the question now. What I was asking the question is, if I go to here, what will happen if I click on this button? Provide passenger
It
details.
will ask the passenger details to enter it.
So it means it will go to next one more list.
Next screen. Yeah.
Only 1 second. So that is what the interactive reports actually concept.
Okay.
That's the interactive report concept.
Okay.
So one more, it will go to next one more level. So that everything you cannot make it in one list only. That is the concept of interactive reports. Right? You give the number here again. And then you give the mobile number, mail ID. If we closely observe, right, in general, everything is back end coding only.
Correct.
Anything that you do in the banking or you go to website, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, everything is the back end code only. Website, anything we are doing in the day to day using internet, it is back end is the coding only. Through the back end coding only, some information will come to us. It's what the information we are giving now here. So once we give all this, right, then again one more option, right?
It will go to the payment option then.
Then it will go to the payment option here after giving the name. This is maybe the third secondary list we call. Right? So it will ask the gender and age, for example. Like this. Mail. This is what the message class. Through the message class, we get this type of message. What do you do? Concession. Why is the concession topic part here? Okay, here, general public. Like this. So this is what exactly we are building, this type of interactive report yesterday. Right? Okay, I'll show you one important thing. Okay. Suppose I forgot the programs yesterday what I created. How do I know? Maybe not using this one. Maybe there are so many programs. I might have used not ZMA star. What is the other way? Actually, this is the program I think yesterday I done. Suppose if I forgot this one, there is a good concept how to get that one. This is the program that I did yesterday. Right. So very important logic here is everything in the SAP stores in the table, even the program name also. How do you find out which table stores the program name is? Press F1 here. Press F1 here. No, F1 not working here. When you press F1, what will happen?
We can see that fields and tables, the one pop-up will appear.
Yes, so no, I don't know why this other problem. No? Function F1 should
The
work.
function is not working F1. I think you need to click this tab and the control F1 and check it.
Function
Fn.
and F1. Function and F1 should work. Or directly F1.
Yeah, no.
So if I go to here, it will show you the data element program where it stores the table name, or this is not a program table, it is a structure, this one. So that's why you cannot find directly here. Go to the data element here, program. Double click here. Right? Go to the domain level here. Go to value range. It will be having the standard table here. TRD here. Double click here. This is the view. Either search here or you can go to the view, actual view here, table here. Double click. This is the table. This is the table which will hold all the programs what we created in the system. It could be Z or custom. Sorry, standard. You can check it here. Go to contents. Click on number of entries. So how many programs are there here in the system?
About
Maybe 10 lakhs, I think.
1 crore.
10 lakhs.
Correct.
What do you
1
1 crore, I think.
54
1 crore,
lakhs.
right? 1 crore, right?
Yeah, 1 crore 54 lakhs. 24,089.
So this many programs are available. It's a good information to you, right? All some of you, right? You can find everything here. Every program you can find here. So you can go to here to search the program name. Right? See, for example, I don't know what the name of the program, but I will know the date. If I go to here, so you see there is any date here. Created on is there. This field. See that. If I go to see that, right? See
Yeah,
that
under
field.
C name. Yeah.
So I can choose the yesterday date. Yes. Yesterday date 2025 12 21, right? 21 2020, right? 20. Yeah. Now this will give all the programs yesterday created by everyone now in this one. So my programs, if I want search, there will be the username here. Where will be the user? Just check it here. Where is the C name? I think this one only. Right? See here. You see now here. This is my username, ABAP test. ABAP test is my username. So I know username. Okay. So I know the program. So I know the date. Now I am searching with the date. So I list out these programs automatically. These are the programs generated by SAP automatically when I created a function group. This is the function model I created. This is the function model I created. I mean program. This is the program I created yesterday. Right? You got the point? Suppose if you forgot or any program you want to see which table will have all the program names is this table. You can note down somewhere. Table name. REPO SRC. In this table, every program will be stored here. Program type also will be stored, whether executable program, include program, all the information will be stored in the table. observe a very important concept here. Right? If you observe here, every database table will be having the client field as a first field, but in this table, you don't have the field client field as a first field. Why? Think 1 minute.
So the client, this is showing for all programs, right? Because one client they maintained. Yeah.
Across the clients, because programs
Yeah,
are client independent. Client independent. Hence, you don't need a MANDT field here. Forget the point. MANDT field will specify the client specific data, right?
correct. Yeah.
This data is not the client specific data. Whatever the data you are storing inside this table is the programs information. Programs are not client dependent.
Yes. Yeah.
Only 1 minute. Hey, Raman, do you want that meeting? You want the meeting to be created? Which one? Juma? Password typing KIB2A415. Password. K, small, I, caps. Yeah. Can I ping in the WhatsApp to you? 1 minute. I just order on this call. Just one class is going on at back. No problem. No problem. Wait. K small, I caps. Mahesh. Mahesh, no, for that one, yes, by SPM Techno. No. That is Mahesh MRAS@gmail.com. Mahesh MRAS@gmail.com. MRAS, MRAS, Mahesh, MRAS, AS @gmail.com. Mahesh MRAS. I'm typing here. Mahesh MRAS@gmail.com. Case smart. No, I. Next one is I. KIB 2A415. SIP, okay, I'll use it for few times, few more 2 hours. Better for us also that ID also, if I see any challenges, we find out with this one. Navin ID. Okay. right? I was telling this one. So this is a way to find out the program, right? So if we go to here, let's say 38, right? Change here. So this is what I did yesterday here, right? So I was doing the interactive report. This is a basic interactive report. So what is Sutherland selection? This is the event that will trigger when user double clicks on the output. Okay, execute now. Right. So I'll make it simple. I'll give only up to 10 rows only. Up to 10 rows. Okay. Check syntax. Activate. Right. Execute now. Use the variant here. And this is a basic list. Now if I double click here 21, so data is not found. Right. 33 not found. 77 not found. 21 not found. Okay. So I will do the debug now. I'll put a breakpoint here. Stop. Execute. Use the variant. Click on execute. Double click on 35. So where is my control now currently? Which line number?
56.
56. So here, what is W underscore Mara underscore Morse MATNR? This is a value what you clicked here. Display the output. Now if you see here, check it, 77 is coming, but I not clicked on 77. Okay, you want to observe again once again. See here. Click on back. Which number I am clicking here? Where is my hand position now? Where is my hand position? Hello?
35.
35.
35, sir.
If I click on 35, but I actually click on 35, but 77 came here. What is the 77 material number? You see here. Check the
Yes,
internal
yes.
table. Check the internal table. Internal table. 77 is the last material number. 77 is the last material number. I clicked on 35 or 33. I don't know. 33, right? Click 33. But this is coming 77 only. Why? Think 1 minute. Think 1 minute. See the code here, not a big code. Up to this code only should think. Up to 52. Or the clue is there is a concept here, line number 49 to 52. Why it is coming that, our question is clear or not? Why when I click the 33 material number, but material number is coming last material number here into the work area. What could be the reason? Observe closely this 49 to 52, you'll get a question answer automatically. So whatever the material number I'm clicking, it is giving only last material number only into the work area, not the material number what I clicked. Right, see here, this is 77. Now if I click I'll show you once again. I'll click now the 21 material number. So when I click the material number 21, right? Material number 21 should come into the work area for comparison. So that what you are doing this flow. The flow you are doing is, you are doing first, you are getting the data from joining with Mara and Marcy, you are joining here. For then you are displaying this is a basic report. Basic report contains IT underscore Mara, where both the tables Mara and Marcy, you made it as a inner join. I made it as an inner join, and I am displaying the output here. This is the output. This is the output. Basic report output. This is a basic report output. Basic report output. This is a basic report output. IT underscore Mara underscore Marcy. This data you are displayed here. So now if I click on here in the basic report, like as I showed you in the case Odyssey, it should go to here, secondary list. This is called secondary list. In this secondary list, data should come from MARD, IT underscore MARD. For that, I have written the code already. It should go to here, from here to here, the navigation. This is the flow. So my question here is, when I click any material number here, right, it is coming to 77. Now what material I'll click here? I'll click on 21. Hello? If I click on 21, what is the expectation is 21 material information should come from MARD table. That is the concept. Okay. If I click on 21, see 21 not came, 77 only coming here. So when I click on 30 material number, 30 material number should capture, but it's coming still 77 only. Think of why. Why not any other number? Why only 77 is coming? I'll show you data also. See the data. Where is the 77 here? 77 material number is in which position? Hello? Material number 77 is available in which position in the records out of 10? First position, second position, third position, or last position?
10 position, sir. 10
Then
position.
last position.
10th position.
Basically last position.
Yes, in this screen it is the last position.
In
Yeah.
this list of the records, last position. So think of why it is taking last record only. When you click on any number, it is taking 77 only here. The hint also I gave. There is a logic here. If you understood this loop statement, you can give the answer easily. What is the purpose of loop statement? Why? think you can understood. What is the loop concept? If you understood, right? What is the purpose of loop? So when the loop is executed on 10 records, right? How many times the loop will execute? This loop will execute how many times? This is internal table, right? Internal table, we are looping here. Yeah, looping here, 49 to 52. So when loop is going on, how many times the loop will execute?
10 times.
10 records.
10
So that's 10 times. What is the last record?
77.
37.
So last record material number will be available automatically here. There is a reason here.
But he in the loop, we didn't mention anywhere to execute 10 times, right, sir, here?
No, not required. There is the concept of these loop statements. So this loop statement, any loop on the internal table, will execute based on the number of records.
Okay, in the table it will check. Suppose your table contains that 100 records, it will execute
Correct,
100
correct,
records, it
correct.
displays the last record at the end.
Anyway, right? Because one by one it will go process here.
Okay,
Here.
right.
First, this record will come to work area. Here, because of this loop statement. Because of this loop statement, first record will come into this work area. Next record, next record, next record. So 10 times will execute. By the time 10 is completed, last record will be the latest record. That is the reason. That is the reason you are getting every time whenever you are double clicking, so you are getting the latest previous record. Means previous record means last record, 10th record.
Means first time it's just getting looped, it's updating to the last record.
No. This loop is, we are printing actually. So while you are printing here, it will print from top to bottom, first to last record here.
Okay.
I'll show the breakpoint here otherwise. Execute.
Sorry to interrupt you.
No, Vishnu, never.
I couldn't get means actually I am confusing in hotspot key. Hotspot
Hotspot means
keyword.
only keyword, only hand symbol purpose only. It will not do anything. Logic, hotspot.
Okay.
Here. Now control is line number 49 here now. Okay. This hotspot is only to get the hand symbol and the output. This one.
Okay.
Now see here. Now the control is line number 49. If you give here 80 underscore mar underscore mod, 10 records are there now.
Okay.
So now first record, this record, the whole first record will come to the work area. See here. Because of this statement. Loop at it underscore mara underscore marcy into work area underscore mara underscore marcy. Now see here. I'll show work area. I'm showing the work area also in the runtime now. Is it empty or not now? How do you know? Double click here. It is empty as of now. Work area. Now where is my control now? Line number 49. If line number 49 is executed, what will happen? One record will come from this internal table into this work area. First record. Okay. So I'll press single step here. Now do you see in this
21.
there is one record, first material, 21. You can see here. 21 is the first material here. So that material came into the work area here. You double click here. So this is one record. See the way, this is the concept very clear to understood of internal table and work area. Work area is stores like this the data, one record only, not more than one record. This is complete is one record. Okay, whereas if you see the structure of the internal table here, how it looks is, see row wise it will store because it stores more than one record internal table. This is the concept. Okay, now what is we are doing? Right, clear, right?
Yes,
now, first record we are it is printing now. Sorry, I press F7. No? First record is printing now. Done. Right? First record is done. Now second record. Where is the control? Line number 49 now. Now what we will do is this 32 material number is the second material. This material information will come into the work area. See, observe here. Do you see no material number 32 has come? Second material number into the work area. Because second loop iteration is happening here. See here. Second material number here. Right. Next, we are printing that one. Next, third record. Right? Because third iteration. How do you know? Already tab X is 2. Means 2 records is already processed. Third record. Now, what is the third record material number? Tell me here. What is the material number of the third record?
34.
34. 34 record, this material, this whole record row will come into the work area. Here, 32 will become that 33. Sorry, 34. Here, see. This record is the third record, like that. So like that will be going on incrementing. Now, I don't know, you remember it, not all of you. There is one more concept in the debugging, watch point. Right? Maybe especially Raghu and Chari, you might come across this word, right? Watch point. You come across this word, watch point? Some Abhyapars might be telling to you. Anyone knows watch point? The other batch people also, Vishnu, Bhavani. Remember it? Watch point. Watch point to stop the control at a specific position, or not position, at a specific value. Now the loop iteration is going on. Which iteration is going on? Iteration number 3.
The
Code record.
tab X3.
So you,
Watch point.
So third record, next fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, right? Will go. 10 records will go. You don't want to see that processing. You want to see only the 10th record. Means you want to stop the control. Only the 10th record is processing the loop. For that, you go for the watch point.
Watch point. Yes.
Click on watch point here. So give the variable name here. sy-tab X. Okay. This is the variable name. You give the variable value here. sy-tab X equal to 10. Watch point is like an alarm. You are setting an alarm. You are setting an alarm. No? Okay.
Yes.
Right now, right here, 10 now. Now see, there is watch point is created now. Now tell me here, which button I should click it so that the watch point will reach automatically. I mean, it will execute all the statements. Now third record is going on. Which button out of these 4 buttons I should click so that anyway, so that all you don't see that remaining things line by line. What will happen if you click this button, F8 in general? Okay, now forget about that. Now, if I click on this F8 button, what will happen? This button.
Read tab extend.
Hmm?
That will return to the codes program.
Hmm. F8. If I click on F8,
Yeah.
what will happen?
It will come out.
Come out of the
No.
program.
If I click this F8, there are three different things. One is if there is no breakpoint, it comes out of the program. I mean, it will execute, it won't show to us. If there is no next breakpoint, control is currently at 50. Okay. Whereas if there is a breakpoint, it goes to the next breakpoint. Okay. Now, if there is a watch point, right? If the watch, now I created a watch point already. So it reaches to the watch point, it will stop the control. See, now I'll click on execute here.
Means
Do you
it
see
won't
that?
go at line selection. It will end the loop.
See the message there? What it's saying?
77. Directly it went
No,
to
no. Below message, can you see the below message of left side my screen or not? Watch point reached to SY tab X. Do you see that or not?
tab X. Yes, tab extend. Directly it went to row number 10.
Are you seeing the message in the below my screen left side?
We can
Watch
also
point reached
bottom, sir.
You see, right?
SY tab X. Yes.
So it is saying that you set an alarm. Now time is reached. What is that alarm? Alarm is SY tab X you made as a 10. You said to the system saying that you stop the control when the tab X become 10. It's a very,
Yes,
very
yes.
important concept in the real-time projects for watch point. You want to analyze for a specific value, this is the concept. Now 10th iteration is going on. Why? How do you know? Yes, here. SY sub tab X is 10 because 10th record is going on here. Right? Now 10th record is printing now. Right? Now I click on here, 31. What is the material number? 31 is not coming. 77 is coming. Why? 77 is the last material number.
So watch point.
No. Now no watch point link. Already done.
Okay.
So why 77 question coming is, this is the question we are discussing. Because it's a lost record, right? Because lost record here. The loop is processed. Now, after the loop process, what will be the lost record? What will be the work area record? Lost record. That's why you are taking you are getting the 77. Now, tell me. Okay, now suppose if I do this, what will happen? Observe line number 52. Observe line number 52. I'll put a breakpoint here. Execute. Is the variant. Execute. I'll click on 35. So my control is line number 57. Think 1 minute. Now what will be having the work area underscore mara underscore marcy? What material number it will be having? If I copy paste this one, this work area, what will happen now? Think and tell me. Observe the line number 52. Now tell me, because earlier cases it was having the last record because of the loop. Now I added one more extra one code, line number 52. Because of that, now what will happen? What is going to have that now in the line number 57? Control is line number 57. W underscore Mara underscore Morse is a work area. Will it have the record or not? First question.
No, sir.
No, correct. Why no?
No.
We have cleared the data.
Means
Sorry.
Because I am clearing
Clearing.
after printing, I am printing. After
Yeah.
printing, right? It is I am clearing. So there is no lost record concept now here. Right? Check it, press enter here. Do you see it is empty or not?
Yes.
Empty now.
Structure.
Empty. It's empty structure now. Because I cleared here. Anyway, now this select statement will fail. But the concept or main concept what we are working is, if I click here, that material should come. If I click on this, it should come that material. If I click on this, that material should be available to fetch the data from MARD table. This data is join of Mara and Marcy. Now,
Good.
if I click on this material number, data should come from the MARD table for the given material number. What is one concept is there? Hide a query underscore Mara underscore Marcy hyphen. This will hide the data. Fix syntax, activate, execute now, execute, double click on 31. I think I'll put a breakpoint. Put a breakpoint, execute, double click on 21. Do you see now 21 is there or not? Whatever I clicked. Hello?
It's there.
Right? I mean, that means what I clicked, that material number only is capturing because of the hide statement. Hide means you hide here. I'll choose the letter, the data. Hide means you are making the data to be available for to use in the next level. Here, this level. Now 21. 21 will true or false. Line number 58 is failed. Why it is failed? Think 1 minute. What could be the reason of selection? How I'm saying is failed? Select statement is failed. What is the meaning of failed?
During the loop, we are clearing it.
Mm-mm.
During the loop, we are clearing the work area. It's record is 4
No. Question
in the
is,
top.
line number 58 is select statement, right?
Yes.
What is the purpose of select statement? What is the purpose of select statement? This is the base of IT in IT industry, not for ABAP. Not only for ABAP. Any select statement, what is the purpose? All of you. Question. What is the purpose of a select statement?
To bring the data from the database table.
Correct. To bring the data from the database table into the now currently here the program, right? What I'm saying, asking question here is, it is a failed, I'm saying. Select statement. How do I know it is failed?
Sub C is not equal to 0.
Correct. That's good. Very good. Not equal to 0, not because of 4. Okay. What the meaning of failed? What is the 4 means? Of course, what is meaning of non-zero means? What it will specify? What that select statement fail means, what it will specify exactly to us? What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that? What is that? How do you say? What is the meaning of the select statement? Select is to bring the data from the database table. That is correct. Okay, next is fail means SY sub RC become non-zero is correct. What is the meaning of fail? What is success? What is fail?
The data is not available in the
Available
table.
in the database table.
Table, complete the sentence. You are not
Yes.
completed. Complete. No off answer. Database table, data is not there in MARD table.
It is
Go
there,
to
but the record is not available in that table.
record. Data is there means records are there, right? Clear.
That
Concept should be
particular
very clear. Correct.
that particular record is not available.
What that particular record in this scenario? Correct.
Yes,
You are here to answer.
In one table it is available, but in another table that particular record is not there. Means that due to primary key.
No, not a primary key meaning here. It should be very clear concept. You are all almost answer to the near to answer. MARD data is not there, is not a correct word, right? Answer, right? MARD is there are so many records. We go to MARD table, there are so many records. We go to MARD display. How many records are there?
2148.
2148.
And how can we say the record is not there?
There is no matching record based on material numbers.
Correct. So means for a given material number 21 is not available in MARDI. That should be very clear your answer. Right? Clear? We should not tell that no record available, MARDI data is not there. Right? This is the meaning of select statement, right? What is select statement you are doing here? You are selecting the data from table MARD, comparing with the material number inside the database table MATNR, comparing in the right side what you are giving here. What is the material number here? 21. You are asking that, you are asking the system that to bring the data for this material number 21 from MARD table. This is a concept, clear concept. If you are very clear the concept, you can tell very clear the answer, output, answer. That they will like the people who are going to interview to us. That will understood only if you go through debug, understood. Meaning, clear now? Hello? Right? Hence, now,
Yes, sir.
okay, next question is, now IT underscore MARDI. IT underscore MARDI is 0 records, right? Now, how many times the loop 62 to 64 will execute? How many times the IT underscore MARD will execute? Loop. This is a loop statement, right? The 62 64 code. How many times the loop will execute?
0.
0, correct. Why it is 0?
There is no matching record. That's why if sub-RC is not equal to 0, that if loop is skipped.
If loop, we should not call if loop. If is
Statement
condition.
is skipped.
If is a statement, not a loop. Then many people will confuse. If loop or not. Okay, anyway. Assume that there is no if condition here. In that case, how many times the loop will execute? Suppose there is no if condition. 61 statement is not there. Okay, in that case, how many times the loop will execute?
One time.
Question clear? Understood first question, all of you clearly. Assume that there is no line number 61. In that case, how many times the loop will execute from 62 to 64? maybe to make you, I will put a comment what is there. I'll put this comment. Right, right. This also comment, right? No, there is no if condition, right? Activate now. That's good. Raghu, are you there? Now I double click on 22 here. Material number 21, I double click here. Okay. First of all, tell me now. First of all, this select statement will become success or failure. 21 material number, I will show if this is available or not. Go to MARD table, material number 21. Execute. What it's saying? Do you see my screen, right? Left side message.
No table entries found.
Means
It's
what
not
is the
available
problem?
in table.
Material number 21 is not available,
Oh.
right? Okay, then now I am coming the other way, ulta. First I show the program. So now obviously this select statement will become fail or success, line number 58 and 59. It will fail or success now. Hello?
Fails.
Fail because 21 material number is not available, right?
Fail.
Now tell me how many times the loop will execute. This is my question.
Based on the number of records, sir. Right?
Select statement is failed. IT underscore MARD
Okay.
will be
Yeah, then
data.
it will not go and search it, sir. Then it is failed in first step.
Perfect. Correct. Perfect. There is no question of number of times loop execution, right? Because IT underscore MARD is empty. Is empty or not?
Yeah.
0 records, right? 0 means do you think the loop will execute here?
No.
No. There's a concept. Not one time, okay na?
Okay.
One time will execute only if there is one record. Okay na?
Okay.
If it is a 5 records, 5 times loop will execute. Okay, this is the concept of the interact report. Like this, will go for till 20 list it will go. After 20, it will go to dump. This is the interview question. How many times how many interactive list you can generate? Multiple, secondary list. I'll show that practically. I'll write here. If s5 lsind equal to 1. System variable, this one. And if else if s5 lsind equal to 2. Okay. Wait statement. This is second. This is secondary list, and list number is s5 lsind. Okay, like this it will go. Else if else. Wait statement. Same thing. This is secondary list number. Here. That's all. Save it now. Check syntax. Activate. Right now, if I execute here, right? Execute here. This is the first output. This is basic list or secondary list?
21 to 77.
What is this one? This is called as basic list or secondary list? This is called basic list. First, whatever you get, that is basic list. Next, secondary list. I think I am not displayed here. I will uncomment this one. If S5 subbar से loop if S equal to if S5 subbar is equal to 0, loop that, print it, else write no data found, this one here. Check syntax here. Right, activate now. Execute. Execute. There is a variant here. Execute. Right, I'll click on 32 here. No data found. Double click here. Next secondary list. Okay. Next list. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Means it go on, you can go on creating next till 20. Now after this, what will happen? This is the interview question.
Yeah.
Now what will happen?
Adi load.
So now if I click on this one, what will happen? It goes to
Dump.
dump. See here, dump. This is the interview question. Unless you practice it, you cannot tell confidently. You will forget this one. It will be like a mug up answer, mug up. Okay, no? What is LSIND system variable? What is this LSIND variable is doing here? Specify -LSIND. What is it is doing? It is
Loop statement, sir.
LSIND. What is LSIND here?
List.
It is the system variable that holds the current list number, current secondary list number. Now, for example, we were talking about case RTC, right? Right, this is what we were talking here. If you go to the beginning of that, right, from date, Bangalore. Second date is Hyderabad. Choose state. Okay. Click on search buses here. Now the whatever the list, this is a list, is a basic list or secondary list you call?
Secondary list according to
No. This is first list, right?
first list here.
First list, so basic list.
Okay.
This is a basic list. Now if I click on select but, this is called secondary list or basic list? I click now. This is called first secondary list, right?
First.
First secondary list now. Now if I choose here, Bus terminal, Bangalore, Hyderabad, right? And maybe I choose the seat number here, 7 here. This all I'm doing the activities in the secondary list, first secondary list now.
Means in the same page that
This
secondary list.
information I'm choosing second list.
Okay.
Now if I click on here, where will go the control? See now I click here. This is one more list, right? One more information here. Here. To enter the passenger, this is the secondary list. Secondary list. I'll give the mobile number here. Right, mail ID. Right. Now again, if I click on here, what will happen? It goes to one more list. That is the third secondary list, like that. This is the concept. To make you clear, I'm explaining this way. Okay. So take small break and continue. I'll continue with the buttons and all, placing the buttons and all. Okay. Then maybe we'll move on to another maybe 1 hour. Stop recording.